What is Foras Na Gaeilge? Have you ever wondered how the Irish language is kept alive and thriving? Foras Na Gaeilge is a key player in this important mission. This public body was established in 1999 to promote the Irish language across the entire island of Ireland, which includes both the Republic of Ireland and Northern Ireland. It took over the roles of earlier Irish language organizations and operates under the North-South Ministerial Council. This council was created as part of the Belfast or Good Friday Agreement to encourage cooperation between the two jurisdictions on the island. The main goal of Foras Na Gaeilge is to support and encourage the use of Irish in everyday life, both in spoken and written forms. This means promoting the language in both public and private settings. They support Irish medium education, which is education conducted through the Irish language, and they also develop Irish language terminology and dictionaries. Additionally, Foras Na Gaeilge runs campaigns to raise awareness and increase the use of the language. They also provide advice to government bodies and other organizations on matters related to the Irish language. For travelers visiting Ireland, Foras Na Gaeilge plays a vital role in preserving and revitalizing the Irish language, which is a significant part of Irish culture and heritage. When you visit Gaeltacht regions, which are areas where Irish is still spoken as a community language, you might notice signage in Irish, hear broadcasts in the language, or even participate in cultural events supported by Foras Na Gaeilge. This organization helps maintain Irish language resources, making it easier for visitors to engage with the language during their travels. Foras Na Gaeilge has its main office in Dublin and additional offices in Belfast, Donegal, and Meath. This reflects its all-island remit, ensuring that the promotion of the Irish language reaches every corner of Ireland. They work alongside the Ulster Scots Agency as part of the language body, which promotes both Irish and Ulster Scots languages and cultures. In essence, Foras Na Gaeilge is the central agency responsible for promoting and supporting the Irish language throughout Ireland. This makes it an important institution for anyone interested in Irish culture, language, and heritage while traveling in the country.